Here's how to add an eSIM on the iPhone. So if you're trying to do this, your phone's going to actually guide you through the process, but you do have to know where to start. You're going to go to Settings, and then you're going to go to Cellular. Now inside of here, you're going to scroll down a little bit, and wherever your network carrier section is, you're going to have Add eSIM right below it. If you do or don't see this, there should be a little blue link that says Add eSIM. And we tap on that, and this is where it's going to depend on your device and how you're working with your phone or the new phone to transfer this phone number over. So you can transfer from Android, you can transfer from a nearby phone, or even use a QR code. If you need some help, you can click on this to learn more. But that is where you get started to add an eSIM, and then you just follow each of these prompts depending on your situation. That's how you can add an eSIM on the iPhone.